It's marvelous movie. Anyway, it's a metaphor for the greater good.
Rounded up last night.
Thank you, sir.
I admire your enthusiasm. Far be it from me to stifle your flair. But this isn't one. Oh, yes, it is.
With respect, sir, geographical location shouldn't factor in the application of the law. No thanks.
Statistically, Sanford is the safest village in the country. But that doesn't mean it requires anything less than a careful and considered approach. There's a reason we accommodated the rural elements of the public.
The greater good.
The greater good, precisely. Your predecessor assumed that rural policing was easy. Ended up having a nervous breakdown. And Sergeant Popwell was an exceptional officer, truly exceptional. He had one thing you haven't got.
What's that, sir?
A great big bushy beard. Come on, let's have a mosey around. Locker room. Riot room. Evidence room. Now, how about a trip to the Andes? Detective Sergeant Wainwright and Detective Constable Cartwright. Don't get up. I expect you're wondering why we call them the Andes.
They're both called Andrew.
I said you were good.
Also, because talking to them is an awkward struggle in it, Dad.
Oh! A square box. All proceeds to the church roof. And this is where it all happens. That is Sergeant Tony Fisher, PC Bob Walker,
Facing.
and that is Saxon. And this is one Doris Thatcher.
She's your only policewoman. She's not a policewoman.
She's a senior brown.
She's a police officer. Being a woman has nothing to do with it.
Oh, I don't know. It comes in handy every so often. I could have given you the tour. I've been around the station a few times.
And what's upstairs?
NWA.
Well, I see we have visitors.
Well.
Nicholas, this is Tom Weaver.
Civilian liaison with the neighbourhood watch alerts. You'll find that we run a very tight ship here. From this command centre, I can see what the whole village is up to. I must say, I was rather admiring your handiwork last night. It's a pity you didn't do the same to those bloody hoodies hanging around loitering. Sitting.
Actually, I did notice some minor graffiti on the fan.
Graffiti? They've got to be dealt with, Frank.
They're nippers, Tom. They'll come round.
Which reminds me, our friend with the living statue was here Saturday. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. If we don't come down hard on these clowns, we are going to be up to our balls in jugglers.